Okay, here I'm going to show you how to upload onto Schoology using your laptop. So you want to go to your course. So I'm going to go to professional development because I'm a student here. And I did an assignment under technology. And so I did an assignment under technology basics. And I did this computer literacy course assignment. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit assignment. And I have a file that I'm going to be uploading. So I'm going to hit file, and here's that clue activity that we did in the other video. So I'm going to hit open, and there it is. And so I could put a comment if I want to, and then I could hit submit. Let's say that your professor or your teacher asks you a couple questions and just wants you to respond. So you could also click create and answer the question to answer the question, and then hit submit. So you want to use the upload button to submit a file that you have in your computer, and then you could use the create button if you want to type like an actual Word document from your assignment.